My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below. But this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you. And now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
Well, currently I am mainly offering PPC services across all social platforms as well as Google Ads. The issue is that it's not scalable, in that, it requires a lot of my time, which kind of puts the ceiling on how much I can actually do. So I'm looking for something that's, a bit more scalable, really, which is going to be the websites and the AI chatbots and things like that. And then obviously still adding on the digital marketing services on the side on top of that.
For sure. To be honest, like websites probably aren't the most like scalable offer necessarily. Now, if you've templatized the process whenever you get a new client and you've got a few different template options, and then these clients are choosing from a few different templates, that's where it's more scalable. If you're building custom sites for every client, that's where it takes a bit of
Hmm.
time whenever you get a new client. And so I'd recommend using templates. Have,
Mm.
one niche or a few niches, maybe, one, two, three different niches you work with. Have like five different website template examples for each of them. So you've got electrician, plumber, roofer, and you've got five templates for each. So you've got like 15 website templates to show these potential clients. And that's where niching down really helps as well. It helps make your offer more
Hmm.
scalable because you know exactly who you're working with every single time and you've done it, 10, 20, 100 times before that. And so niching down and then templatizing the websites will make the website offer scalable and quick to onboard clients. And I guess that's what I'm thinking when I hear scalable is like quick to onboard so then you can move right on to
Mm.
the next client and keep onboarding clients every single day or
Hmm.
multiple clients a day. Um, but yeah, there are other offers that are like more scalable that are like really quick to maybe set up. Like if you're just selling GoHighLevel SaaS as a sub account and you're giving them access to the CRM, that can all be completely automated. You don't even need to talk to the customer, but not as sticky in my opinion. So I'd take a little
Hmm.
bit less scalability I would rather take more time to set up a client and keep them for a very long time than have like an automated onboarding process and lose that client after a few months because they didn't really get the help they needed and they got overwhelmed with the system and weren't able
Hmm.
to really, get a benefit out of it. So, anyways, the website offer, that's why I like it. It's sticky. It stays, people stay for a long time. And these other things that we add on to the website, like the smart features of our website, automations, AI, maybe some SEO, those are going to be things that are, like I told Eric, kind of like icing on the cake, just time savers for our client. But the website is that like lead generator that gets them more leads. Smart features are what follow up and help automate the follow up for them so they don't have to spend a ton of time managing these leads. And um, anyway, I'd highly recommend websites if
Hmm.
you're not doing it. And websites are probably, you probably run into clients that need websites, I'd imagine, if you're doing PPC, because they need a good landing page whenever you're
Yeah.
doing Google ads. So, um, anyway, I would definitely recommend what I mentioned there. Pick a few niches, build
Hmm.
templates for each of them, and then give them options. Say, hey, these are our five options you can choose from. Obviously, we can customize colors and your logo and pictures and stuff, but this is kind of the core layout that we stick to for all of our clients. And just pitch them on, hey, this is what we know works. They might say, I like something different though, but you're saying, hey, like bring them back and say, hey, these are like tested. We know these templates convert. We know this layout and this format of website gets leads. And so would you rather have a nice, beautiful, fancy website, or would you rather have a website that still looks good, but like actually converts leads? And then they'll say,
Hmm.
okay, we'd rather have the lead converter. And then you can do enough customization from there with colors that they'll be happy by the end of it and they'll like the look of it and all that. But yeah, that'll speed up the process and make websites scalable for you. If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.